have my client Roxy, who's going to do a couple of different variations of a reverse crunch. This is level 1. We're keeping the legs quite close to the torso as she rolls down. So we want to stop with the tailbone touching the ground. We don't need to take the legs out into this position here. Your legs are a load, and as soon as they go away from the midline of the body, more susceptible to going into anterior tilt of the pelvis, we lose the work through the abdominal wall, and then it becomes lower back. So we actually don't need this part. As Roxy rolls in, she keeps her elbows narrow. She's pulling from her upper body, but she's using her abdominals to control down. So this is level 1. Let's show you level 2. Roxy's anchor point is really quite sturdy. It's just the beam from the rig in the gym. You can also use a really heavy kettlebell or a dumbbell. If it's a movable object, make sure it's quite heavy. Level 2, we're going to roll in. What Roxy's going to do to make it harder, she's going to take the legs up and see this angle here. We're going to try and maintain that distance from chest to quads as she lowers down. Good, she's got 2 to go. So she's gonna curl in. Now she goes up with the legs, and she's gotta really use her upper body, keeping her elbows narrow, using her triceps and her lats to really solidify the upper body. 1 to go. See how she's keeping control now. Slow, use the abs, use the abs, use the abs. Good, 1 more. Use her abs to lower down. Use your abs, use your abs, use your abs. Beautiful. Start with level 1, master that, use your upper body, use a strong anchor point, and when your hips touch the ground, that's when you start to roll back in. Don't extend the legs out because we don't want to go into anterior tilt of the pelvis.